The desert wind sang a haunting tune, its melody echoing across the empty expanse. It battered the research tent's canvas, a relentless symphony of nature's power, as if the desert itself was alive and breathing. Inside, Dr. Miriam Cohen, her brow furrowed in focus, carefully brushed away centuries of sand and grit, each stroke revealing a piece of history. She had been following a faint signal, a whisper from the earth for months, driven by an unyielding curiosity and a passion for uncovering the past. This desolate stretch of the Negev Desert held secrets buried deep beneath the sands of time, waiting to be discovered by those who dared to seek them. Her pulse quickened, a glint of gold. Could it be? The culmination of years of research and countless hours of painstaking work. Weeks of careful excavation followed, each day bringing them closer to the heart of the mystery. The team, a mix of archaeologists, theologians, and scientists, worked with a reverence usually reserved for sacred ground, their efforts a testament to human perseverance. Each grain of sand removed, every artifact unearthed, brought them closer to the truth, a truth that had been hidden for millennia, and then it emerged, a chest, ornate, golden, awe-inspiring, the culmination of their efforts, a symbol of their dedication. Could this be the relic they had been searching for, the legendary Ark of the Covenant? The Ark of the Covenant, lost for millennia, a whisper in the desert wind turned thunderclap, a discovery that would echo through history. The weight of the discovery was immense, a burden and a blessing, a moment that would define their careers and their lives. The Ark of the Covenant, the legendary container of the Ten Commandments, a symbol of God's covenant with his people, had captivated imaginations for centuries, a beacon of faith and mystery. Its disappearance, shrouded in mystery, had fueled countless legends and quests, inspiring generations of explorers and dreamers. And now, here it was, bathed in the harsh light of the desert sun, a tangible link to humanity's past, a beacon from a time when faith moved mountains, a testament to the enduring power of belief. The Ark of the Covenant, a symbol of divine promise and human faith. More than just a gilded chest, it embodied the very essence of faith, a tangible link to the divine. Crafted by the Israelites following God's instructions, it housed the stone tablets inscribed with the Ten Commandments. These tablets were the cornerstone of their covenant with God. This wasn't merely a historical artifact, it was a direct conduit to the divine, a sacred vessel of immense spiritual importance. The Ark symbolized God's presence among his chosen people, a constant reminder of their unique relationship with the Almighty. Throughout its recorded history, the Ark was more than just a religious relic. It was a beacon of hope, a symbol of divine favor. It was a symbol of power, a rallying point for the Israelites, uniting them in times of strife and triumph. It had witnessed wars, led armies to victory, and served as the ultimate testament to a covenant forged between God and humanity. Its presence on the battlefield was seen as a divine endorsement. Its presence was believed to bring blessings and protection, a shield against adversities. Its absence, calamity and despair. Without it, the people felt vulnerable and forsaken. The Ark's journey was fraught with peril and punctuated by moments of divine intervention. It was a journey of faith and endurance. From the parting of the Jordan River to the fall of Jericho's walls, the Ark played a pivotal role in shaping the destiny of the Israelites. And then it vanished, leaving behind a legacy shrouded in mystery. Some believe it was hidden to protect it from invaders, others that it was destroyed. Its final resting place remains one of history's greatest enigmas. Whatever its fate, its legend lived on, whispered from generation to generation, a testament to the enduring power of faith and the mysteries that linger in the shadows of history. The Ark of the Covenant continues to captivate the imagination of believers and historians alike. The atmosphere was electric with anticipation. Could this be the legendary Ark of the Covenant? The world turned to science for definitive answers. Carbon dating, material analysis and detailed comparisons to ancient texts were just the start. The team, fully aware of their monumental task, approached it with utmost precision. The gold, meticulously analyzed, matched the era and region. Inscriptions, barely discernible to the naked eye, aligned with ancient scriptures. The wood, though delicate, revealed its secrets through dendrochronology. Each test, each analysis, brought them closer to an incredible confirmation. The world held its breath as the results trickled in. And then, confirmation, this was no mere replica or clever forgery, this was the genuine article. The Ark of the Covenant, a relic of ancient times, a testament to the power of belief, had been discovered. The discovery sent ripples through the global scientific community. It was a testament to human curiosity, the relentless quest for knowledge, and the enduring allure of the unknown. Section 4. Angels, Curses and Divine Power, Myths of the Ark. The Ark of the Covenant transcended its role as a mere historical artifact. It became a focal point for myth and legend. Tales of its awe-inspiring and terrifying power have been handed down through the ages. Some legends spoke of angels descending from the heavens, drawn by the Ark's divine energy. Others whispered of its ability to level mountains and part seas. There were also darker tales, legends of people struck dead for daring to touch the Ark, overwhelmed by a power too great for mortals to grasp. Stories of curses falling upon those who dared to violate its sanctity. These tales, passed down through oral traditions and religious texts, served as a stark reminder of the Ark's power and the reverence it commanded. Though often dismissed as mere folklore, these myths added another layer of complexity to the Ark's discovery. Was the Ark simply a historical artifact, or did it possess powers beyond our understanding? The line between myth and reality blurred, compelling humanity to consider that some legends, even the most fantastical, might hold a kernel of truth. Section 5. A world divided, claims, conflicts and controversies. The unearthing of the Ark of the Covenant sparked a whirlwind of disputes. Countries and religious factions laid claim, each asserting their right to this revered artifact. What was meant to inspire global wonder now threatened to divide humanity. The Israeli government, invoking historical and religious connections, asserted ownership. Religious figures worldwide supported this claim, urging the Ark's return to Jerusalem, as dictated by Scripture. Meanwhile, museums and research bodies stressed the need for scientific examination and preservation. The debate intensified, weaving a complex web of religious passion, political strategy and scientific interest. The world watched with bated breath as the Ark's destiny remained uncertain. What began as a moment of triumph had become a test, challenging the very essence of international diplomacy and human comprehension. Section 6. The Ark and the Atom. A new era of understanding. The unearthing of the Ark of the Covenant was more than a historical milestone. It marked a scientific revolution, a pivotal moment that connected the ancient world with the modern era. Top physicists, chemists and archaeologists from around the globe flocked to the Negev Desert, driven by the desire to decode the mysteries encased in the Ark's golden exterior. This gathering of intellects was unparalleled, highlighting the Ark's magnetic pull. Could this ancient artifact, steeped in centuries of faith and enigma, be the key to unlocking new realms in science and technology? The questions it posed were as deep as they were numerous. Initial scans detected unusual energy emissions from the Ark, readings that defied established scientific laws and left experts both puzzled and fascinated. This was more than mere craftsmanship. There was an element at play that defied conventional understanding. It was as if the Ark served as a conduit for an unknown form of energy. The treatment of the gold, the meticulous craftsmanship, the precise dimensions of the chest, all hinted at a level of technological sophistication far ahead of its time. Even the arrangement of the cherubim on its lid. It all suggested an advanced understanding of physics, an understanding that seemed almost otherworldly, an awareness of principles that modern science was only beginning to comprehend. The implications were staggering, challenging our very notions of history and progress. Could the Ark's power, often attributed to divine intervention, be explained through the lens of quantum mechanics? Could it be that the ancients had harnessed a source of energy that we are only now beginning to understand? Could the ancients have possessed knowledge far surpassing our own? These were not mere speculations, but questions that demanded rigorous scientific investigation. The quest to understand the Ark became humanity's new space race, a race not just for knowledge, but for the very essence of what it means to be human. A race to unravel the mysteries of faith and science, a race that could redefine our understanding of both the past and the future, a race that held the potential to reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The Ark, once a symbol of divine mystery, now stood at the crossroads of science and spirituality, beckoning us to explore its secrets.